Welcome back everyone. In my initial camera comparison video between the Oppo Find X9 Pro and the Vivo X300 Pro, and occasionally the OnePlus 15, some people, including myself, thought I was being a little unfair to the OnePlus 15. Because, even though it was kind of focused on the Oppo and the Vivo, I still said something during the introduction, and I quote, "I'm not trying to say it's a lot worse than the other two, but it kind of is." Now, in retrospect, it's not really that bad. I mean, it is kind of bad, especially the telephoto sensor, and especially at night. But that being said, it's definitely not that bad, which is why I decided to do a second round of camera comparison, but this time around between the Oppo and the OnePlus. And this comparison will potentially be interesting to a wide range of users, because even though they're from the same family, the OnePlus is obviously a performance-oriented device, while the Oppo is focused mainly on efficiency and camera. There really isn't much of a pre-talk to give before this comparison, except to note that everything is on auto mode on both phones, and I haven't touched any settings at all. I mean, except for the watermark settings, but you get where I'm coming from. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's get right to it. Alright, so there you have it. Do let me know what you think down below, and if you like what I do, then consider dropping a like and subscribing to my channel, as these are all 100% personal efforts, and funds for that matter. Alright, I'll see you all on the next one. Peace out.